Ikira mukode kuherio kuharagiria gavana wa Trans Nzoia George Natembeya, Minista wa Ugitiri wa THIINI KIPCHUMBA MURKOMEN neheanite itumi cia ugitiri wa maabitha acio akiuga meheretio matigekore ugwati-ini wa kuthira hinya mukiruku iria maramuragira kungigia na ngahiha.
If there are any people who have been withdrawn, it must be in relation to the planned violence and the recent violent confrontations, and the fact that some of these police officers have been found in the middle of goons, facilitating goons, transporting, hiring. And it's not enough that they have been withdrawn. There will be a disciplinary action will be taken against them, and if the charges are proven, they will lose their jobs. They will be relieved of their responsibilities within the National Police Service. So it's not enough even to complain that they have been withdrawn.
Muthi wa juma ya kiumia kihituku gavana Natembeya ni atharikirwo mwena wa Chwele gicigo-ini ubunge gia Kabuchai ari muthabara-ini wa kambeini gicigo-ini kia Malava, ngari ciake ikihura ngui icio ona gukirikana kwari na igeria ria kumuratha macungiriro ri gutunyukithio arangiri muthenya wa ira. Ageha atongoria aria maroneka gukararia thirikari ta Senator wa Kakamega Boni Halwale onao ni mehereirio arangiri.
So let me say this, that any security measure taken by the National Police Service is, as I say, to avoid a crisis. If a police officer attached to VIP is working and working with goons, what is the best thing to do is to, first of all, get them away from this crowd of goons so that we can be able to deal with the goons.
Nikumana na ciiko ici riu MURKOMEN hete mukana aria mari na itanya ria kuhuthira njira cia ngahiha ceceni-ini cia wikio wa kura akihena mukana kuri aria magakorwo makihura kambi ceceni-ini ici na ciigwatio cia kugitira kura.
Those people who are preparing to bring goons to polling stations and tallying centers, I warn you that you will face the full force of the law. The National Police Service is prepared to arrest all goons, all criminals, all persons who are intending to disrupt peaceful elections in our country.
Augite mundu ina itanya ria kurehe ona kana guthagania jama cia guthararia githurano agathitangwo na thitango cia wikinai.
The fire say fire. Harambe!
Iguru wa ugu wa MURKOMEN no agire kiene tharikira kuri mutongoria wa DCP Rigathi Gachagua ari Narok Town muthi wa Jumatatu.
The situation of Narok was very clear. When we realized that there was going to be a clash between two groups, when the National Police Service realized as such, the security team advised that both camps should stop the violent rallies because it was turning violent. At least we are happy that someone is blaming us at the comfort of his house, peacefully, no injuries, no death. It would have been a different story if we had allowed the situation to proceed and people die.
Muthi waru icigo 24 nicio ikarikaire feini kuria ni icigo cia ubunge wadi na kimwe gia useneta igacuka miti icio rimwe cia ithurano ni iria cianarehe urugari wa mwanya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.